Creating your own exfoliating scrub is a simple and rewarding way to pamper your skin naturally. Here's a base formula that combines effective and gentle ingredients to suit various skin types. Ingredients: sugar. Choose white, brown, or raw sugar for mild exfoliation. Salt. Sea salt or Epsom salt works well for detoxifying and refreshing the skin. Coffee grounds. Packed with antioxidants, coffee grounds can rejuvenate and smooth skin. Oats. Finely ground oats are ideal for soothing sensitive or irritated skin. Preparation: 1. Combine equal parts sugar and salt, 1 cup total. 2. Add half a cup of coffee grounds and a quarter cup of finely ground oats. 3. Mix well and store in an airtight container. Usage: gently massage a small amount of the scrub onto damp skin in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Tips and warnings. Tips: customize by adding essential oils or a carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil, for hydration. Warnings: avoid use on broken or irritated skin. Patch test on a small area to prevent allergic reactions. Always rinse carefully to avoid clogging drains with solid particles. Cleanse liver toxins before using the recipe to get the best results. Enjoy your natural, DIY skincare routine.